Welcome to another vlog. You don't know it's a girl Michael Scarf in the building. Yo! How are the them? We're on the boardwalk. Going to the beach. And stuff. Watch out.
Ice cold water.
Maybe sun too hot now if we go up on the ride them.
$1 for the water. $1.
You want me to take it?
Ice cold water here. $1 for the water.
Yeah, so right now we are at the which boardwalk? Coney Island boardwalk. What a boardwalk your name? What a boardwalk name?
Yeah, at Coney Island.
Oh, so I saw Coney Island. Yeah, Coney Island today.
Boardwalk
The power boardwalk.
Beach boardwalk and ride.
We're going to the beach. I'll train over there. I'm going up first. I'm black already.
You have umbrella?
Oh, I have an umbrella. You know, in these streets. So, we're going to chill on the beach. I'm going to get a tan. A tan.
Let me see if you can see it when you finish.
Yeah, so we're chill on the beach. We're chill on the beach. We're chill on the beach first. And then we'll go up on the ride, man. So, yo, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get updated each time I upload. Each time I upload, but you have to go video it, so yeah, I don't know. When the foreigner them come to Jamaica, then go like they not used to sun, hot sun. And the sun is hot, guys.
Oh, you feel the sun up here?
Yeah.
You not feel it like that. Oh, me feel it at Jamaica, do not feel it like that.
Oh, okay. Your body adjust.
Yeah, it's a different feeling. Pune is a different feeling from Philly.
So not man. I'm burn up. When I ride them there. A cyclone.
Up here, you don't feel the sun. Can we get a funnel cake? This later, Isaiah, you say you can't eat before you ride.
What do you Guys, we decided right in bad for me. So guys, we decided to do the rides first. So that's what we're about to do right now, the ride. Plus game that. There something here, you know? I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. Which ride you want to go on first, Isaiah? Can you come with me on the ride or may I go on? Isaiah, may I ask which ride you want to go on first? Right now, I'm afraid which ride not go on first. So, we're excited. Because I eat ice. I love eat ice.
Big cycle. I don't even know which one she's in. Oh, there she is. I am lost. There she is. 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 What? Let's see if she gonna wobble when she get out of here. Let's see if she can still walk. Isaiah, look. She's still walking. She's still walking. That one then.
Right now, guys. Right now, I'm recommend that. Mash up.
From one ride.
But eat some man, okay? That's something I remember from me. Just be careful because you're coming. Don't eat some because we can't manage. Myself better this way. I just came off the one swing song, Some of the Night Sky. It never that bad, but you don't know me extra already. Queen extra and stuff in the streets. But it was really good. I never like the first one. The first one having a scream too much. So we're going on the wheel thing, you know. The name Wonder Wheel, I think. Alright. How much one I ticket? How much one I ticket? $8? $8 for one of the tickets? That's what I'm gonna do now. People right now. Stay with me, man. Big Driver Road.
They knocked on our ear.
Alicia. Water black. No, you stick. No. Water black. So guys, yeah, I'm up on the beach and I'm going to chill out. I'm going to water. Just came off the ride, like guys. I can't bother make some of my stuff that I don't believe in them, I'm not go find them. I can't manage it. I don't think so. I won't be going in the water. I keep on my shots. Foreign can't manage it like that. But the water though, let me go down to the water. But I love the color about it here, it's so cute. The color. I want to know what kind of pink this. Hi Zaya! Hi Zaya! Hi Zaya! Adrian! Adrian! Your mom wants some water. Your mom wants some water. Mother wants some water. She wants some water.
Here, water?
Is it?
Wait, what did she say?
The mother wants some water.
Yo, is it her water over there?
No, she try, I think I will try Pakistan with the umbrella.
But there's water over there.
Where? Oh yeah, you should never think about that. So you guys, this is the view from New York to the beach. I tell you, I'm not good at water. I'm afraid to go in there. But I'm having a good time, you know. From I've been on vacations, you know, I'm really enjoying myself this trip, you know. Last night I was saying to someone, sometimes some stuff happens to you. I was explaining a situation to me where 5 years ago something happened to me. Not 5 years ago, but something happened and then 5 years after I find out the reason why it happened. You understand? Sometimes some things happen, I don't know why at first, but like guys, you just have to just trust the process. Trust what God do when you not see what God do. You understand? Because He knows best. His thoughts are not our thoughts. Bible that you know, boy. It's not in a life. Look, you have thinking in this sometimes. And the back to it fit my colors so well. And so yeah, I'm going in the water. Awesome. On my tripod, I try a thing guys, basically this is where I'm about to end this vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day on the beach in these streets. Yeah. First, I'm gonna test out the salt water. I find salt water must be at the tree. First, I'm going into water like a beach outside of my country, you know, so kind of a big thing for me. I must say I experienced a lot of new things this trip. I'm really excited. Really so grateful and so happy he's done it that you wouldn't even know. So guys, stay tuned to the Skylight journey. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Definitely show the love and tell a friend about the big bad YouTuber in town, Malika Skylight. So type the last part below. I want to say taking over.